All right, back to the Microsoft topic here. I don't know if you saw this, Will. I saw this stuff floating around social media. I mean, I know I've been off the grid a little bit working on some other things, but every so often I popped into the grid. I just scrolled the grid every so often. And then, of course, this one was in my social media. It was right there in the feed. And I saw some clips of smoking Xbox Series X. I said, here we go again. I thought to myself, isn't this just perfect? This is exactly what Xbox needs right now. Just a couple of them to explode and create some viral clips. I mean, I did the same thing everybody else did when they saw the clip. Because you didn't imagine there could be more to it. Maybe on second glance you did. And on second glance, it turns out the whole thing might have been for the memes, as they say.
Yes.
And it's no telling what they'll be doing for those memes.
Yeah.
It's no telling. Especially in 2020 when people, like I said, man, they're chilling, and it's a little bit of entertainment.
Yeah.
You see your clip going viral. My goodness. Well, speaking of going viral, we have a meme debunker that came center stage post exploding smoking Xbox clips, and he said, "Oh no, whole thing's a scam. People are blowing vape smoke into their Xboxes to make it look like it's smoking." And it's there's a whole move to it. You kind of you exhale the smoke into the bottom side there, and it ends up coming up through that singular fan unit. I mean, it looks fantastic. Well, I mean, not if it was actually exploding, but it's quite the look to it.
Yeah, it looks convincing.
It lets you actually see the amount of airflow that can be moved from the unit.
Yeah.
There's some practical application to this if it wasn't that vape smoke, which you wouldn't want to be using for that kind of technical purpose. But you'll see here, he blows it down at the bottom portion, and look at that. Boom. Smoking Xbox. Oh my goodness. What a controversy. But anyway, so the clips got viral enough that Microsoft actually had to respond and said, look, don't do this, please. That's your hot new console.
Yeah. You just bought it. Well-earned money.
And they didn't say you're going to damage it for sure. But their statement is, we can't believe we have to say this. This was on the Xbox Twitter handle. We can't believe we have to say this, but please do not blow vape smoke into your Xbox Series X. Please don't do it. What are we going to do? Get a warranty return here because everything got smoked out? I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's obviously not designed for those particles. Probably a couple times won't damage it. I am not recommending you do so. The meme is well established now. You don't need an extra. We don't need any more piling on, or maybe we do. I don't know. People are going to do what people are going to do. Is that right? Now, if you go back to the original article there on The Verge, you'll see people there have been other fakes, including the fan levitating ping pong ball. That's for the memes as well.
Oh.
And I scroll down to the next image. There you go. Look at that. It wasn't actually floating. So this is the internet. This is 2020. Believe nothing ever. Just believe nothing. Nothing is real. But think about this, Will. When nothing is real, if nothing is real.
Okay. Are you just making this up?
I'm making this up right now. If nothing is real, we're in trouble.
Okay, then.
I'm going to leave it right there.
All right, yeah.
If nothing is real, I mean,
let that settle.
There is a residual to everything being a joke or a meme. There's a residual.
There's a consequence.
Like that little feeling of, because no one wants to get got, as they would say.
Yeah.
Like we have such an aversion to being the fool that we trend so far on the side of skepticism. There could be a negativity residual, even though it's just a little laugh at a moment. But if everything's fake all the time, I mean, we talk about this with the fake video clips, deep fakes, things like this. Once our default status is everything is fake, it's going to be a problem. Yep. It'll be impossible to get it'll be possible to get information to anyone.
Yeah.
Because all of a sudden there's a massive communication breakdown as a consequence of that lack of trust in everything that you see and hear. Everybody trapped at home and they're paranoid anyway. And then you just add to it. So anyway, that's where I wanted a better sentence.
You wanted to sum it up?
Yeah, I wanted a better sentence to do it, but it's actually probably better that I explain the whole
Yeah,
thing anyway, because people would have been like, I don't know, what did he mean?
I
What
know.
was
They're probably skeptical.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.